Hello students, welcome back. Let us take a look at question number 6 of exercise 13.7, chapter 13. The dimensions of a right circular cone are as follows. We have the volume and the base diameter. We need to find the perpendicular height, the sloping height and curved surface area. Given the volume and diameter, with using the diameter we can find the radius. Once we have the radius and volume, you can simply substitute the values into the formula of volume, which is 1/3 pi r square h. That will help us find the height. Then using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the value for the sloping height, right? Because there we need three variables, L, R and H. We already would have found H. Using this we had the radius. So it's simple to find L. And curved surface area, we know the formula is pi r L. So again finding that would be very simple. So let's go ahead. I'm going to say first that radius is equal to diameter upon 2, which is 28 upon 2, which is 14. So 14 centimeters. Substituting, R is equal to 14 centimeters and volume is equal to 9856 centimeter cubes in formula for volume of cone, which is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. What do you get? 9856 is equal to 1/3 into 22/7, which is the value of pi, into radius is 14 square into h. H is what we need to find. So I get H is equal to 9856 into 3 into 7. So why 3 into 7? Because I'm keeping H on one side. So whatever terms we have with H, the denominators will go in the numerator and the terms in the numerator, that's 22 into 14 square, will go in the denominator. So I'm just writing 14 into 14 instead of 14 square. Alright. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 nines are 18, 2 twos are 4, 2 eights are 16. Then again you have 7 twos are 14, 7 sevens are 49, 0. Why? Because see, 49 is gone, you have 2. So 2 won't go in 7, therefore I am putting a 0, and 7 fours are 28. Just in case you do not get this calculation, you can always do a division on the left hand side. Alright. So 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 fives are 10, 2 twos are 4. Then I have 2 11s are 22, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14 and 2 6s are 12. Then 11 1s are 11, 11 1s are 11, 11 6s are 66. So what am I left with? 16 into 3, which is 48. So height is equal to 16 into 3. Therefore height is equal to 48 centimeters. Though I have written the answer over here, I am writing it here as well because we might run short of space later. So now proceeding with the question, sub question number 2, we need to find the sloping height. Now if suppose this is your cone, we know that this is the perpendicular height h, this is the sloping height L, and this is the base radius r, and this is perpendicular, right? Therefore we know that through Pythagoras theorem, L square is equal to r square plus h square plus r square, or r square plus h square. So we can use Pythagoras theorem to find the value of L because we already have found H. Let's mark this as 1 and we have R, which is 14 centimeters. So I'll say L square is equal to R square plus H square through Pythagoras theorem. It would be good if you draw this diagram that I just did for the teacher. That would lay a good impression. So therefore L is going to be R square plus H square under root. Substituting, R is equal to 14 and H is equal to 48. What do we get? L is equal to 14 square plus 48 square. So 14 square, we know that it is 196, and let's check for 48. So 48 can be written as 48 into 48 can be written as 48 into 50 minus 2. So this is 48 into 48. I'm just rewriting 48 as 50 minus 2. So 0, 5 8s are 40, 5 4s are 20, plus 4, 24, minus 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 9. So 2 4 0 0 minus 96. What do we get? 4. Then 0, 3, so 2304. Let's add 196 to this term. What do you get? 0, 0, 3, 4, 5, 2500 under root. So this can be further written as 5 into 5 for 25 into 10 into 10 for these two zeros. So see how I have split this term. 2500 is the same as 25 into 100. So 25 is written as 5 into 5 and 100 is written as 10 into 10. Now we can just take out one of the similar terms of each of these to get the square root of 2500, which is equal to 5 into 10. Therefore, length is equal to 50 centimeters. Let's mark this as 2 because it is a part of the solution. I'll write the answer here as well. This is 50 centimeters. Now we have the radius and we have the sloping length. We can find the curved surface area. We know that the curved surface area of cone or right circular cone is given by pi RL, which is 22 upon 7 into radius, which is 14, into length, which is the sloping length, which is 50. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So what are we left with? 44 into 50, which is equal to 0. 5 fours are 20, 5 fours are 20 plus 2, 2200 centimeter square. This is the curved surface area of cone. And let's mark this as 3 because it is the part of the solution. So here is the answer box. Since we are running out of space, I am just writing it down here. Please take a look at the solution. The first section where we find the perpendicular height, and then we find the sloping height, and eventually the curved surface area of cone. And of course, here are the answers. Thank you for watching this video.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.